Welcome to the world of subtle energy solution, where sound and science merge with ancient wisdom to unlock water's transformative potential. Acoustic Restoration Therapy, or ART, utilizes unique DNA resonance signaling programs designed and patented by Subtle Energy Solution to generate specific sound vibrations tailored to resonate with our DNA's unique frequencies. When these sound vibrations interact with water, they influence its molecular structure through a process called resonance. This resonance creates coherent wave patterns, aligning the water molecules in a harmonious and organized state. Quantum mechanics plays a pivotal role in this process. In the quantum realm, particles like water molecules can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as superposition. The sound vibrations from RT act as quantum signals, causing this superposition to collapse into a coherent state. This aligns the water molecules to match the resonant frequencies of DNA. Water is not just a passive medium, it is also an active participant in cellular processes biologically. The concept of the memory of water refers to its ability to retain and transmit information through its molecular structure. It is worth noting that the human body is composed of approximately 75% water. Art enhances this memory by creating coherent vibrational patterns, which in turn improve cellular communication and homeostasis. We refer to this process as resonant coherence hydrotherapy. It involves 4 key steps. First, initiation of resonance. ART uses sound vibrations tuned to specific DNA frequencies, interacting with the water molecules surrounding the DNA. Second, formation of coherent patterns. Water molecules align with the resonant frequencies, creating coherent wave patterns. Third, quantum influence. Quantum signals from sound vibrations induce a coherent state in water molecules. And finally, biological impact. Coherent water molecules improve cellular communication, supporting better biological functioning and homeostasis. Resonant coherence is a concept that combines the vibrational techniques of acoustic restoration therapy with the principles of quantum mechanics and biology. The idea is to utilize water's memory and coherence to facilitate holistic healing and well-being. Experience the transformative power of acoustic restoration therapy. Unlock the potential within.